Clogged window drain. These windows have these little holes. There's one of them here. There's one here. I believe these are called weep holes. And when it rains, water falls up against the window, it comes down, goes in the track here, and then it comes out these holes and hopefully comes off here, but it looks like the window is below that, so probably just pools here. Maybe that's why somebody put all this stuff here, whatever. Anyways, this is completely blocked. It's blocked with a whole bunch of those little spinner things from the trees and miscellaneous dirt. A little piece of wire cleans this out pretty effectively. This is just 12 gauge wire, and some compressed air to finish it up is also good. You can see the two holes hopefully inside there. One there and one there, and then it should come out here. I just want to make sure this is fully open, and I'll have to go through and do this to all the windows. Feels like there's a lot of dirt in there. Okay, I can see the wire through there, and I can see the wire through there. So this weep hole is unclogged for the moment. Alright, better than it was. I'll have to come back with the compressed air later on, but that'll get us through the next couple rainstorms at least.